come down to a very small thing in life. Film industry में पहले dancers कैसे आते थे? Mostly from South. Mostly from South, mostly Indian-looking girls. What kind of dances are we getting today? All Russians. All Russians, all extras in the film industry are who? Girls who have come from Russia. So the culture is spreading. The culture is spreading everywhere. Finances. It's no more limited to India. We're talking of FDIs. What is the full form of FDI? Foreign direct investment. So that is what globalization is all about. Today sitting in the remotest part of the world, today sitting in New York, you can invest your money in India. Whether you do it directly or do it through some FDI unit, but you are able to invest your finances globally. So the economy, one bank falls in America, what happens? Well, somebody named the bank that had fallen? Lehman Brothers. What happened to the entire world? 2008. Economy came to a standstill. Economy came to a standstill. The bank fails in America, the layoffs take place in India, in Bangalore. भैया बैंगलोर में तो किसी का दोष नहीं था ना कि उसकी नौकरी गई. बैंक तो अमेरिका में फेल हुए, फिर नौकरी से बैंगलोर में क्यों निकाला गया? This is what globalization is all about, right? Business. What shall we say? Life in its totality is globalized. Our thoughts are globalized. Early morning, we wake up. What is it that we do? What do we do early morning? Forget the hostels and talking homes. Will somebody tell me what do we do the first thing in the morning? Yeah? ऊंचा बोलिए. Or I'll tell you what we do. We reach the remote. We don't do this. No. We no more do this. आंख मली और हाथ देखा. We don't do that. What do? We look for the remote. Television. Mobile. Same thing. Mobile. We open the mobile. SMS तो नहीं आया. Facebook पे क्या है? Twitter पे उसने रात को 2 बजे बैठी हुई थी, तो उसके बाद मुझे तो नींद आ गई. लेट मी सी उसने क्या लिखा है. और I must wake him first. So what do? We reach the remotes, we reach the mobiles, and if we don't have television, we reach the laptop. So what is happening is the globalization has come into our bedrooms. It affects us from the time we open our eyes to the time we close our eyes. This is what globalization is all about. I don't say globalization is only economics, no. Globalization is universal. It's the thought process that is being globalized. It is the breathing exercise that I indulged into here that is being globalized. Because with every breath that I take, every inhalation process is globalized. My thoughts are American, my body is Indian. And my clothes are Chinese. और खाना था ना, ये different visual है हिंदुस्तान, मेरा जूता है जापानी. That has actually been materialized today. Possibly Suraj Kapoor, he acted on that song 50 years ago, but whosoever wrote that song, Shailen wrote that song. That's been materialized today. और आज तो दिल भी हिंदुस्तानी नहीं है. आज दिल भी मिक्स हो गया सब. एक मैं समझता हूँ कि वेंट्रिकल कहीं का है तो दूसरा कहीं का है. It's all mixed up. New organizational technologies. How do we function today? The boundaries of office are no more. Believe me, whatever you're doing in life, whether you're working with software, you're not working with software. Whether you're working with Infosys, or whether you're working with Chanandlal Madanlal Jalandhar. The boundaries are no more there. There's nothing called as office today. Will somebody tell me why it is not there? Will somebody tell me why the office has vanished? It has vanished practically. You ask me. The buildings are there, but the office has vanished. Internet, mobile. My office travels with me throughout. This BlackBerry carries my office with me. So the concept of office has changed. The technologies are new. We have to learn these technologies. We have to uneducate ourselves to educate ourselves further. Do you understand what I'm saying? We have to uneducate ourselves. Whatever we learned is no more valid. Why it is not valid? Because the technology every day is changing. The thought process every day is changing. Window 8, Window 1, Window 2, Window 3, Window 4, Window 5, Window 6, Window 7, Window 8. Today it's Window 8. So we have to learn about Window 8. What happens to Window 7? Forget about it. You're not literate, man. You don't know. iPhone 5 तुम्हारे पास है? अरे यार पुराना हो गया, क्या बात कर रहा है? What is the in thing now? Galaxy. So that means anybody is possessing iPhone 5 would be uneducated. He or she has to learn Galaxy now. And in the Galaxy course, what will come? Somebody else will come. We are unlearning things so fast that we are hardly able to pick up new things with that speed. Please mark this word what I am saying. We are unlearning things faster than we are able to pick up new things. बोलना ही पड़ेगा तभी तो नया पहचानेंगे. अगर नया नहीं सीखेंगे तो पुराना भूलेंगे कैसे? और पुराना भूलेंगे नहीं तो नया सीखेंगे. That means we are into vicious circle. We are puzzled all the time. Parents are puzzled. How do I afford a mobile every 3 months? हर 3 महीने में. I know people who buy a new phone every 3 months. How do parents afford it? What happens? I am not discussing here. Let's go further. Dynamic demographics of the workforce. Changing workforce. The workforce is not limited to one country. There was a time when we used to go to America. What is happening today? People want to come back. Americans want to come here because there is no employment. I was in Canada 2 years ago and I made some contacts there. Those contacts are in touch with me wanting to know if India can offer them work, and India has offered them work also. India is offering work to the world today. Believe me, it is happening. It may happen on a small scale, it may happen in Bangalore, it may happen in Bombay, but it's actually happening. I mentioned film industry, software industry, IT industry, it's happening. What's next? Unprecedented market competition. Unprecedented market competition. The competition never used to be so high. The competition never used to be so severe. The competition never used to be from different nationalities. The competition never used to be there from different cultures. The competition never used to be there from different thought process. The competition never used to be there from different study streams. It's not one MBA we're talking of. Possibly if you start looking at the MBA process itself, there would be hundreds of MBAs of different streams. So we have competition from all sides. How do we match this? That means we have to uneducate ourselves to learn new education every time. That means every time we have to be active. We cannot say, "Main nahi karunga." Every day becomes a learning process. Every morning becomes a learning process. Every evening becomes a learning process. Let's understand what is leadership. My young friends will have different definition of leadership. Will somebody tell me what is leadership? Yeah. Please go.
So leadership is a quality, first to define a particular goal and then influencing the other people toward that goal.
What that means, what you're saying is leadership is possessing a vision and selling your vision to people. In a way, yes, part of it. Definitely, it's a process. Anybody else? Please. It's a part of the process, definitely. It's a process that includes vision, that includes a lot of other things that we will learn when we proceed further. It's the function that leader performs. It's unseen, but it's visible. I'm saying it's unseen, but it's visible. It's visible in his actions. There's no solid thing as leadership, but it's the action that the companions will perform, that the total team will perform. That will tell you, yes, the leadership is there. We all sitting disciplined here, that means there is some leader sitting in this room who has influenced us to sit in this process. Some leader thought of calling all of us here, asking us to learn things, that's leadership. But that process cannot be seen, but we are all feeling it. It's perceptible. It is unseen, yet it is perceptible. We can perceive it. These are people who, by their actions, encourage a group of people to move towards a common shared goal. My friend, safety. A leader is an individual leading the team. Mahatma Gandhi. Did he have any corporate team with him? No. Was he told these are the people who will work with you? No. He was not told these are the people who will work with you. He says individuals within an organization who have authority are often referred to as leaders, regardless of how they act in their jobs. Underline the next point. Regardless of how they act in their jobs. They are leaders by the virtue of being designated, by the virtue of being told, you are the manager. Become a leader. You are the general manager. Become a leader. You are the work manager. Work may or may not happen is the line underlined there. Yet, can they be called leaders if the work doesn't happen? No. They can be managers at best. They can be supervisors. Or they can be mismanagers. But they are not leaders. Some individuals can exhibit leadership even though they do not hold formal leadership positions. मुझे मौका नहीं मिला is often we have heard. And what is that? I was not given an opportunity. What is that opportunity? I was not designated one. You snatch your opportunity. Create circumstances that will give you opportunity. Let the opportunity come to you by doing those things which are recognized by others as your potential to do things. What did I say? By doing those things which are recognized by others as your potential to do things better. To achieve higher things in your life, you have to prove it. You don't need a designation for that. No. Anybody who's been given a designation here did not possess the designation when they started working. Your principal here worked for it. Your HOD sitting here, your professors sitting here, they worked for it. They proved their leadership in some field or the other, and then they came here. So this is up to you to prove it to the world that you have the potential. The metal doesn't say I'm strong. Does platinum ever say I'm strong? Does iron ever say I have the potential to make chairs? It's visible. Let your potential be visible. Let your potential be perceptible to other people by your doing greater things in life, by achieving higher things in life. That's what I said. Focus on the karma. Don't focus on the fruit. Inaction is not permitted.